Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been up to something really beautiful, really exciting, and I want to share with you all. If you look around, you see the rebranding, and everything is looking all new. Permit me to reintroduce myself. Welcome to Posh School of Etiquette. I am Eniola Onokoya, a certified international etiquette consultant and member of the London Association of Etiquette Consultants. I am also an accredited management trainer by the Center for Management Development, Nigeria. At our school, we believe that charm, grace, and sophistication are timeless qualities that can be mastered. We offer a range of training programs covering various aspects of etiquette, from social etiquette to business etiquette, etiquette for the young, workplace etiquette, fine dining etiquette, hospitality and customer care, Nigerian cultural etiquette, and netiquette. For more information, please visit our website at www.poshschoolofetiquette.com. You can also reach us through our social media accounts or contact us directly on the number showing below. Posh School of Etiquette, elevating manners, elevating lives.